If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and you can download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So the best way to find it is by simply searching for iPhone ringtone in here. There we go. Now you can see that we have many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you how to use it in order to get the iPhone ringtone on this phone. So let's wait for the app to be installed. And then we're going to open it. There we go. Now over here, we're going to tap on consent. You might see some ads in the meantime, but the app is free. You want to allow the app to access music and audio on this device. And if you see permission required, you want to tap on OK. And we need to allow the app to modify system settings. So of course we need to do that so that the app can change the ringtone for us. Over here we have the list of different ringtones. You can of course play them in order to see which one you would like to use. So there we go. And once you find the ringtone that you wish to have, that you wish to set, you can use these three dots on the right side. Now in here we're going to tap on a ringtone. Of course we have an ad, so let's wait for the ad to skip it. There we go. And then we will see this information that we have set the ringtone successfully. So we're going to tap on OK. But of course we want to double check. We want to make sure that the ringtone is in fact set. So we're going to go to settings. And then in here, let's open sound and vibration. And you can slightly adjust the ringtone volume to see if there is a new ringtone. And in my case, it is. And that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.